Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. New Bounty program will decentralize finance Europe. So here is the Bounty program in the Bitcoin talk already listed in Uniswap. So here is the detail about the Bounty exchange. So about DFE Finance, Decentralized Finance Europe Finance. So detail: DFE is a DeFi staking farming exchange. In addition to yield farming strategies via smart contracts, DFE provides security services for inexperienced user as a DeFi gateway and shows all on blockchain users for transparency purposes. DFE can be easily integrated with CEXS or other platforms for yield farming, infrastructure and commission rebates. More than 60% liquidity locked permanently on Uniswap. Automated burning system until supply decrease 50%. The farming token system will be released estimated 3 months. The 1% fees for staking, the interest rate 3% for every user address stake their token, estimated 3% multiplied 30 days is equal to 90% per month. If user unstake tokens need to pay 6% of their token and it will burn 3% automatically. 3% remains tokens will be used for another user staking earning. Anyone can be a supporter and earn more benefits. Every user address, if want staking, needs a minimum of 1 token every one stake. Total limit supply only 60,000 tokens, but now it will be burned to 30,000. But now the total supply of DeFi exchange is 30,000 tokens because 30,000 tokens are burned, are locked. The farming system are locked for burning. The farming system release price will increase slowly and the token will be more limited. Here are some features of this exchange: de-staking, de-farming, de-swap, de-cove. So here is the roadmap. So this exchange follows their roadmap to achieve their goals. So these are the social media's platform profile links. So DeFi.exchange, DeFi.finance. So you can join it to receive updates from from the exchange. So click on follow. And as a Facebook, so Facebook you can also join it, decentralized finance, to receive their information, to receive their news from this exchange. Here is the Bounty link, already listed on Uniswap token and its price is $4 above. So here you can join it. And so Bounty token details. So total Bounty pool is $30,000 in DFE tokens. So DFE is already listed on as we can talking about the DFE. So voting campaign starts on January 6, 2021 and will last 4 weeks. The first week starts from 6 January to 12 January and so on. So Bounty allocation signature campaign is already ended because they have limited stakes. So again, Twitter campaign: if you have 1000 followers, minimum 1000 followers to 3000 followers, you will receive 1 stake. So on, if you have 10,000 plus followers, you will receive 4 stakes. So their minimum requirement is 1000 followers. So if you there are some rules of their Twitter account. You have to minimum make 5 minimum retweets per week and 2 original tweets per week. So with the hashtag DFE, hashtag DFE, hashtag DEFE, hashtag crypto. So your post must be in English. So must first of all you have to submit the proof authentication. Here is the link. Here is the link of proof authentication, and then you have to join the campaign which you have to participate, which you are want to join. So first of all click on the link and submit the details. Or now so you can check it after so you can after 1 week you can submit your reports through this link. And after a Facebook campaign, if you have to minimum 500 friends, you will receive 1 stake to participate in the campaign. So these are also the rules of this campaign. You have to must follow these rules to receive stakes. So telegram campaign, you have to you will receive 1 stakes per week if you follow all the rules. So you have to join Facebook telegram group, active in the whole campaign. You have to do the active in the whole campaign. You have to change their telegram logo to exchange this bounty logo. Or and now you have to only 1 account per person. You must write 5 minimum messages different crypto related telegram groups during the week. Or you have to change your username according to this format, your username or DFE finance, and submit the report after 1 week through this link. And after that, a video campaign, you have to, if you want to make a video, your video must be in English, must follow these rules. If your quality is good, you will receive high quality. If your quality is high, so you will receive 6x. So after that you must follow the rules of every campaign to receive these stakes. So thank you so much for watching my video.